Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn about adjectives. Before I start, I would like to say something about me. I love bananas. I like to eat yellow delicious banana. They are sweet, soft and healthy. They give us energy. Now let's have a look at the sentence. To describe the banana, I have used lots of words: soft, yellow, sweet and delicious. We call these words adjectives. What is the job of an adjective? The job of an adjectives are describing words. They say something about nouns. In the above sentence, the noun is banana. Let's recall the words I used for banana: yellow, delicious, sweet, and soft. All these words are adjectives. Now let's see another example. Here's a ball. It is red, it is round, it is big. All these words describe the ball, or we can say these are adjectives. Now it's time for an activity. Let's find the adjectives from the following sentences. The apple is red and round. The cat is white. Now you know about adjectives. Add them to your writing to make it a whole lot more interesting. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.